So now the progress for the McLaren 650S is actually sent into the paint booth. He's laying actually the first layer of the paint. So the owner actually chose this baby blue. The reason why is because
DarwinPro for this beautiful Huracan.
The car is here today. We're preparing it for the installation. So we're gonna replace these three items. It looks simple, but I don't know how long it's gonna take.
Alright, so now the progress for the McLaren 650S is actually sent into the paint booth to actually lay down the first layer of the paint. As yesterday that we came, already laid down the primer and everything done. So the prep job has been done. So now he's laying actually the first layer of the paint. So the owner actually chose this baby blue. The reason why is because you want to see the contrast with the carbon fiber and the car body color as well. If he chose back the darker color, you can't really see much on the carbon fiber part. So that's why the owner choose actually a lighter color for the body. So actually it looks very, very nice. And actually I'm quite excited of how the end result will be looking like. Definitely the whole car will be very, very nice. Will be looking very awesome. Yeah, let's get excited together.
DarwinPro for this beautiful Huracan. Yo, Zain! What you doing, bro?
Yo, what's up? The car is here today. We're preparing it for the installation.
Yeah, bro. Beautiful car, bro. The color.
Yes, it's wrapped in Tiffany blue. I like it. It looks even better under the sun. We're gonna do a photo shoot later under the sun and see how the wrap color actually stands out. So yeah, nothing much. We're just gonna change the hood today. The two front fenders. Come, let me show you a bit more. Look at that. So we're gonna replace these three items. It looks simple, but I don't know how long it's gonna take. We'll see.
Simple things is the best, bro.
Yeah, it looks easy, but you gotta remove the wheels, remove the fender, the inside wheel liner and all. Then later on, we're gonna do the wraps. We're not gonna do the wraps, but the customer's gonna do it himself. So we're just gonna